it's me again. Bit wet today, not too bad right now. It's clearing up a little bit, the sun's shining through the clouds. When I set off it was pretty wet. It was one of those days, you know, where you go, oh, do I go out or don't I go out? And you know, it I don't even know, I'm laughing at myself, I think, here on this viewfinder, how silly I am. But yeah, I'm out here I am doing another vlog, video, whatever you want to call it, and it's going to be one of those days where I'm going to be testing something new. I got some new tyres recently, some Pirelli Scorpions. I got an S on the back, and the what do they call it, the one on the front is it's got an M on it. I think it's just I'm going to fall off there in a minute. It's just a general purpose type thing, type tyre. Does everything apparently. So it's really, these are really good in the dry, on that loose sort of shaly hard pack stuff that I'm normally riding here. But today we've been so wet, I just thought I'd give them a try and see how they perform in this wetter conditions. You know, slippery rocks, tree roots, that sort of thing. It's not going to be a review or anything like that. It's just a ride, and I'll bring you along on the journey. All right, here we go. Slippery rocks and roots. Jesus. That was a bit hair-raising. If I had any hair. I just know I've got a bit of a brutal climb coming up in a minute, and it's just interesting to see how these Pirellis cope. It's really loose gravel, and if it's dry, it is murderous. Up over that tree. If it's wet, funnily enough, it's a little bit easier because it packs down a little bit and it's a little bit more grip. So that was with the Maxxis Minion DHR 2 tyres I had previous to these, so it'll be interesting to see how the Pirellis perform. We shall see. So this is the brutal climb off the road straight onto this gravel, and it might not look much on the GoPro, but you can probably hear I'm losing traction already. Well, done. So yeah, I reckon the Minions had it on the Pirellis up this sort of stuff. Just weren't digging in, just didn't have that grip off those big lugs that you have on the side of the Minions DHRs. But I don't know, it could be rider technique as well, perhaps. Okay, time for a snack. The wife got me these. It's an Aldi brand protein bar. So I've been eating the Cliff bars. My favourite's the chocolate chip. They're really delicious, and I thought I'd just give these a try. I'm eating with a mouthful here, but you can sort of see it's a bit like a Mars bar. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting more of a like a trail bar, you know, with the nuts and all that sort of thing in, but it is a protein bar. It tastes delicious. It's like eating a Mars bar. I don't know how much sugar it says sweet, so it's gonna have some sugar in it. I don't know. Anyway, I'm making all sorts of horrible noises here when I'm eating. I'm a really noisy eater, apparently, according to the wife. But it tastes delicious, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So if you're thinking about getting one, give it a go. terrain's changed a lot now. It's less rocky. It's more just this sweeping, flowy sort of single track, which is nice. But if I'm honest, I prefer the rockier sort of techie stuff. But yeah, this is okay. Heaps of switchbacks here. Pretty tight, some of them. These tyres doing a pretty good job, grip wise, so far. Be careful not to jinx myself. The rain clouds have opened again, so it's starting to get a bit of rain. Just clear the lens a bit there. Yeah, it's just starting to rain again. To be honest, I don't mind getting a bit wet. It's not really cold, and as long as there's no thunder and lightning, it's pretty cool. Whoa! Lost a bit of traction there in that puddle. Just got to be careful of those. The reason why the water's sitting there is it's a bit clayey, and that clay, when it gets wet, it's just like an ice skating ring. Another one there. So yeah, the old Pirellis didn't like that. One thing about this area, you don't want wide handlebars. They're pretty tight at the trees in some places, especially on some of these switchbacks. If you get it wrong, it doesn't take much to hit a tree with a bar, and you know, then you're off. The high line. an interesting little feature here, just right across the top of this dam wall. Another dam. One of those grease holes. Stay away from that. Very switchbacky. Up and road. Never missed ya.